Shubor nakaslem jong nongsan Hima.
Myntri katanat ka Koit ka Khiah sarkar jala uba ELHEC ula Khot la wer ya baro kinong mikmat bakan thup ya ki MLA kumju ya ki MP ban Ïasnoh tilang ha ka ban rat Ïngkhong ya ka Jingpang tuberculosis napo ka jala ya kani Myntri ula kren ha ba ai jingkren kum ukongsan ha ka jingrake ya ka World Tuberculosis Day ka balong hak sngi balang ha kamra traikam jungu uba hek ula penpau ka jingkemen ba ka sarkar jala lang ba ka National Tuberculosis Elimination Program hapo katanat ka Koit ka Khiah kalayo barake ya kasngi harangkat ka perthai baro kawai haba penpau ka jingsngau Khiah halor ka Jingpang TB hapo ka jala bat ka ri baro kawai Myntri ulaong ba katay ka Jingpang kalong ka bajur ba ka jingyap haba pai sya ka Jingpang yabet Habapan kan mau ba Myntri rang bado kari Narendra Modi ula banjur man penkut no ya katay ka Jingpang hapo usnem arhajar arpesan uba hek ulaong ngakwa ban Khot ban wer ya baro ke badon ke jingsngau Khiah ki kanhun ki bayadon benta hakaroy kapar ki seng traimon ngau bha ki jakawat bnia ki kanhun shimet lembat kiwei bakin ai ka kti kamon ka kti kadiang ban kenjo ya katay kathong
Khiah State Strategic Plan to eliminate TB by 2025. So we have two launching today for benefit of the people of our states. Thank you. Thank you very much. Come from
We are launching this very important plan to be implemented in the state to achieve a TB-free state. Achieving state target of TB elimination by 2025 needs a multi-sectoral approach and commitment from the higher authorities up to the grassroots level and community at large. So, objective of TB-free plan to reduce the incidence rate to 44 per lakh by 2025. And to reduce mortality rate to 3 per lakh by 2025 and zero catastrophic cause by 2025. So strategies for TB elimination in Meghalaya. With a vision to make Meghalaya a TB-free state by 2025, strategies were planned to be adopted by all the districts. The plan envisioned a collective responsibility to all the public sector, private sector, corporate sector, and community. None that less political, administrative commitment are the pillars in achieving TB-free state. Thank you, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Rotary has been associated with tuberculosis, prevention, eradication of tuberculosis since long. It's not only with tuberculosis, we have been associated with eradication of polio. Now even with COVID also, Rotary has become involved in whatever small ways. It could be awareness also, that is what is important. So awareness is something which we need to create, and this is what we have tried to do in a small humble way by giving this mask which has the logo, the theme, and of course the Rotary's logo also. But to what our president was mentioning about a unique project, what we did in the last week, you can say, was the inauguration of a milk bank, Mother's Milk Bank. It's some sort of a unique project, the 25th in the country, in the state of Meghalaya, in the city of Shillong. We all know about the blood banks, but mother's milk, which is something which is so very unique and special for a newborn, we usually do not get the mother's milk when the need arises. So that's what we put up a milk bank in the Roberts Hospital.
As a whole, it is also a disease with high mortality rates among the infectious disease in our states. It's not only in our state but also in our country. So the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi, in 2018 has committed to end TB by 2025. 5 years ahead of the sustainable developmental goal, we are racing against time. That's why I'm saying the time is flying. With 4 years left to achieve our goal, I would like to call upon all the stakeholders, like the Rotary Club of Shillong, which have done immense contribution and services to the people, the development partners, civil society organizations, research institutions, the private sector, and many others whose work is relevant to TB eliminations, to kindly give your best effort in this patience. I would like also to call upon the citizens of the state for their active support to the program for this cause. Active community participation will lead to a victory to our battle against tuberculosis. I am very much delighted to be a part of this great endeavor in our state in launching of the Meghalaya State Strategic Plan to eliminate TB by 2025. The strategy is a great potential for partnership with the different stakeholders, maximum utilization of technology testing tools and nervous drugs. The vision for the tuberculosis-free determines to decrease the TB burden in terms of incident rates by 44 lakhs, mortality rate by 3 per lakhs, and reducing the catastrophic cost due to the tuberculosis by 2025. And also, we want to involve the local representatives, like the MLA, the MP, Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha. Here they know better what is the problem, the issue they are facing by the people of their constituency. So there also will be active, supports, the active support from the local representative for how to eliminate the tuberculosis from our states. So to conclude this, I would like to assure the program that the government will provide all the necessary support to help whenever needed for the reaching this goal. So I also once again, since the representative have a deep understanding of the demography about the people in respective constituency, so their active role or active participation also is very important. That's why we appeal not only the stakeholder, not only the institution, not only the NGOs, even the local representative also to involve actively how to eliminate the tuberculosis from the state. With this few words, thank you very much and God bless you all.